Welcome to my class, students. It's class 8 English grammar chapter 2 phrases, that is adverb phrase we will do, and this is session 3. In this we will learn what are the adverb phrases. So you know what is an adverb. Adverbs are the words that qualifies or modifies verb and sometimes adjectives also. So here we will find a group of words that will work as an adverb in a sentence. Now, adverb phrase is two or more words that act as an adverb. It can modify a verb, adverb, adjective and can tell how, where, why or when. So, there is some phrases are there with great regret. So, this is explaining how with great regret. At the corner, this is describing where. To understand better, this is describing why, and in an hour, this is describing when. Examples: the soldiers fought bravely. So this is the word bravely. So this is how did the soldier fought bravely. This is an adverb. So the bravely word as a adverb phrase, how will we write? We will write in a brave manner. So when we will change the adverb into adverb phrase, we will have to change a little. In a brave manner means bravely. He has painted his art beautifully. This is adverb. Now how will you change it into an adverb phrase? In a beautiful style. He has painted his art in a beautiful style. Now next, he acts unwisely. So what does it mean? This is again adverb. And what does it mean? Without wisdom. He acts without wisdom. So suppose he speaks intelligently. That means he speaks with intelligence. In this way, he will have to understand the adverb phrase in a sentence. No such diseases were known then. So, here see, I have told you why, when, how, all these things they reflect. So, no such diseases were known then. Then is, we can in those days. This is an adverb and this is adverb phrase. This is adverb phrase, right? Now the arrow fell here. Where did the arrow fall? Here. So here is on this spot. This is your adverb phrase. Now here we are getting a list of adverbs and adverb phrases. Swiftly. So in a swift manner or with swiftness, right? Formerly, in former times or once upon a time. Recently, he arrived recently. So just now or at a recent date. Now, that means at the moment. Everywhere, that is in all places. Away, that is to another place. So, the bird flies swiftly. The bird flies in a swift manner or with swiftness. Formerly, I have met him. So, in former times, I met him. Or once upon, formerly there was a kingdom called whatever you can name it. That means once upon a time there was a kingdom. Recently, just now or at a recent date. Now means at the moment. Everywhere I have seen water. So in all places I have seen water. Away to another place. He has gone away. That is, he has gone to another place. Now more soon, before very long or at an early date. Come soon. that means come at an early date, come soon. There, that means at that place. He lives there, the book is there, that means the book is at that place. Away, that means to another place. Abroad, that is in a foreign country. He has gone abroad, that means he has gone to a foreign country. Here, on this spot, meet me here, that means meet me on this spot. Loudly, he sings loudly or he talks loudly, that he talks in a loud noise. So here you are seeing all adverbs, here you are seeing all phrases, that are the adverb phrases. If you find in a sentence all this words or a group of words, so you can understand, yeah, these are the adverb phrases. Now, not all adverb phrases can be replaced by adverbs. For example, I took him on the strength of your recommendation. This you can change, you cannot change it with adverbs, right? These are adverb phrases. Okay? I took him on the strength of your recommendation, as you have recommended him earlier and I have taken him because of your recommendation. So this is the thing, कि all the adverb phrases you cannot change, it cannot be replaced by adverbs. Some works as an adjective, as you know, you have seen in the first slide. What have you seen? So they work as an adverb, adjective, verb, like that also. So in this session, what have we learned? We have learned the adverb phrases. We have learned how we can use adverbs and change it into phrases, and what is this, how we can apply it in a sentence. In the next class we will do something else. Until then, practice it, find adverb phrases in your chapters, in your stories, practice it again and again, try to convert the adverbs into adverb phrase and make your learning perfect. Go through the slides again and again, learn it because it's very useful in your writing also. Goodbye, take care. In the next class we will meet again. Thank you.